Naman tayo, meron tayong mga anxiety pagdating sa interview. Hindi talaga ako comfortable na yung sa interview ay yung may video pa. Actually, kahit in meetings namin, hindi ako comfortable magpakita ng best luck just because hindi naman tayo always fresh kahit nasa bahay lang tayo. But, I hear you when you say, yung natitense ka, natatakot ka baka mag-stutter. Isa pa sa mga number one issue ko is grammar. Baka mahuli ng client, may mali sa grammar. Kasi hindi yung problema kapag nififilm ng film. Don't you worry, I have some tips for you on how to ace your interview. So, number one tip, identify one skill set, one story, or one quality na automatic mapapawaw mo yung nag-i-interview sa'yo. So, for example, you're asked, one of the most common question pagka ini-interview is, tell me how you handled a difficult situation. So, ang lagi kong naiisip, kapag tinatanong ako ng tungkol sa difficult situation, ay nung time na, I personally feel na nung na-promote ako as team leader sa call center, ay hindi pa ako handa. Kasi wala naman akong management skills. Wala akong management training. As in, zero experience talaga ako sa pag-handle ng mga tao. I used my weakness as my strength. So, ang sagot ko lagi dun is, even if I do not have managerial skills, I have people skills. And by learning through experience, was able to handle hundreds of agents. So, basically, ang nangyayari sa interview is, ang nakikita nila, one, that I am able to handle a difficult situation. And then two, they would also learn something about me na hindi nakikita sa resume ko, which is I have people skills. You just have to have this one impacting story na tatanim sa utak nung nag-interview sa'yo. Next is, know the job. Hindi yung basta-basta ka lang mag-a-apply, makikita mo nakapost siya sa Upwork, na ay, may nag-hire sila ng data entry specialist. Pag-aralan mo, ano ba yung data na ipapasok mo sa saang website? Ilalilipat mo ba siya sa document? Is it a picture? Ita-transfer mo ngayon? Ita-transcribe mo into a digital material? Anong klaseng data entry? And then two, pag-aralan mo rin yung company. Hindi yung basta-basta ka na lang mag-a-apply, hindi mo pala naiintindihan kung ano yung mission vision ng company. You have to learn something about